Hello all, welcome to Brilliant Coaching Classes. I am Nilima Patil. In this video, we are going to solve exercise 9.1. First question is identify the terms, their coefficients for each of the following expressions. Total 6 expressions are given. Here I have written 3. First we'll solve these 3. After that the remaining 3 expressions we'll find out their terms and coefficients. First expression 5xyz square minus 3zy. Here two terms are there. First term is 5xyz square and the second term is minus 3zy. Minus 3zy. Now we'll find out the coefficients for these terms. Coefficient is a numerical factor of the term. So here in this term 5xyz square, 5 is the numerical factor and therefore 5 is the coefficient. Next minus 3zy. So here minus 3 is the numerical factor in this term, therefore minus 3 is the coefficient. Next second expression 1 plus x square. There are 3 terms. First term is 1, next term is x, third term is x square. Now for the first term, what is the coefficient? Here 1 itself is the numerical factor, therefore 1 is the coefficient. Here the term is x, therefore with this x there is 1. This is the numerical factor, therefore coefficient is 1 here. Now in this term x square, there also the coefficient is 1. Next third expression 4x square y square minus 4x square y square z square plus z square. There are 3 terms. First term is 4x square y square. Second term is minus 4x square y square z square and the third term is z square. Now we'll write their coefficients. In the first term 4 is the coefficient. In the second term minus 4 is the coefficient. In the third term we cannot see here the numerical factor, it means 1 is there, so 1 is the coefficient. Next fourth expression 3 minus pq plus qr minus rp. Now in this expression there are 4 terms. First 3, next term is minus pq, next term is qr and the fourth term is minus rp. Minus rp. Now what are the coefficients? In the first term 3 is the coefficient, then here minus 1, there is no numerical value here but always 1 is there, so minus 1 is the coefficient here, here 1 and here it is again minus 1. So these are the coefficient of these 4 terms. Next fifth expression x by 2 plus y by 2 minus xy. X by 2, next y by 2 and third term is minus xy. So these are the 3 terms for this expression. X by 2 first term, y by 2 second term, minus xy is the third term. Now what are the coefficients of these 3 terms? Here x by 2, it means 1 by 2 is the numerical factor of this. So it is, the coefficient is 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2 into x. We can write this x by 2 term like 1 by 2 into x. So 1 by 2 is the numerical factor of this term and therefore coefficient is 1 by 2. In the next term y by 2, same 1 by 2 is the coefficient. Next in the third term it is minus xy. The term is minus xy, so the coefficient is -1. Coefficient is -1. Next, sixth expression, the three terms are there. First term 0.3a, second term minus 0.6 AB, and third term is 0.5 B. Now what are the coefficients of these terms? First term's coefficient is 0.3. Second term's coefficient is minus 0.6. And third term's coefficient is 0.5. So here we have completed question number 1 of exercise 9.1. Next, question number 2. Classify the following polynomials as monomials, binomials, trinomials. Which polynomials do not fit in any of these three categories? First, x plus y. Now here there are two terms, therefore this is a binomial. This is a binomial. Next, 1000. Only one term, therefore this is monomial. Next, x plus x square plus x cube plus x raised to 4. Now here there are 4 terms, and here the possibilities are given only monomial, binomial, trinomials. So here this expression will not fit in any of this, therefore we'll cross it here because this polynomial do not fit in any of these three categories. Next, 7 plus y plus 5x. 3 terms are there, so this is a trinomial. This is trinomial, 3 terms. Next, 2y minus 3y square. There are 2 terms, so this is a monomial. Next, 2y minus 3y square plus 4y cube. 3 terms are there, so this is a trinomial. Trinomial. Next, 5x minus 4y plus 3xy. 3 terms are there, so this is a trinomial. Next, 4z minus 15z square. 2 terms, so it is a binomial. After that, AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. This expression has 4 terms. Therefore, this polynomial will not fit in any of these 3 categories. It is not a monomial, binomial or trinomial. So, we'll cross it here. Next, PQR. Only one term. So, this is a monomial. Next, P square Q plus PQ square. 2 terms are there. So, this is a binomial. After that, the next expression is 2P plus 2Q. There are 2 terms. So, this is also a binomial. So, here we completed question number 2. We will solve now question number 3. Add the following. First, AB minus BC, BC minus CA and CA minus AB. These are the 3 expressions given and we will add them. Now, we can add these algebraic expressions using 2 different methods. You can add this using the horizontal method or the vertical method also. It means arranging these expressions vertically. So, first we will use horizontal method. Horizontal method. So, first we will write these 3 expressions in 3 different brackets and add. Plus CA minus AB. Now, we'll bring the like terms close. So, here AB and here minus AB, we write them close. Next, minus BC and plus BC, these are like terms. Next, minus CA plus CA, these are the like terms. So, we wrote them close. Now, solve. AB minus AB. So, same term minus same term. So, it is 0. Same here, minus BC plus BC is 0 and minus CA plus CA is also 0. Therefore, the final answer is 0. So addition of these three algebraic expressions is 0. Now we'll solve the same sum using the vertical method. We'll arrange them vertically. Vertical method. First expression is AB minus BC plus BC minus CA. Now we for vertical method we write all the three expressions in three different rows and we write the like terms one below the other. So here the second expression BC minus CA. So this BC we write below this term BC minus BC. So here BC minus CA. Now there is no CA term, so we'll write it. Next CA minus AB. Now CA, we write that CA below this CA. So here CA and the sign will be plus. There is no sign, it means it is positive. Minus AB. Minus AB will be written below this AB. So here we'll write minus AB. And now we add these three expressions. So first AB minus AB, it is 0. Minus BC plus BC is 0. Minus CA plus CA is also 0. And therefore the sum of these three expressions is 0. The addition is 0. Next, second sum, A minus B plus AB, B minus C plus BC, C minus A plus AC. So these are the three expressions and we have to add them. So we'll add these expressions by arranging them vertically. First expression, A minus B plus AB. But see here, minus C is also there. So we'll leave the space for C to write below this in the second and third expression. So plus AB we write here. Next, B minus C plus BC. The second expression, now we'll write it in the second row. So B will come below this minus B, which is positive B. B, then minus C, we'll write here. We left the space for C and then plus BC, that also we'll write after AB because there is no AB term. There are no like terms like AB. So we write BC after that. Next, C minus A. So C will come for the third expression. C minus A plus AC. C will come below this C, which is positive C plus C. Then minus A will come below this A. So minus A here and plus AC. Now here it is AB, here it is BC. There is no AC term. So we write it in the next place. And now add these three expressions. See here, A minus A will be 0. Next, minus B plus B is also 0. Then minus C plus C is 0. Then plus AB, there is no like term. So AB will be as it is here. Next, plus BC also same as it is. There is no other like term to add in this BC. And plus AC also as it is here. So the answer is AB plus BC plus AC. AB plus BC plus AC is the addition of these three expressions. Now the third sum, 2p square q square minus 3pq plus 4. Add in this expression, add this 5 plus 7pq minus 3p square q square. First we'll write this expression 2p square q square minus 3pq plus 4. In this we will add the second algebraic expression. Now here plus 5 plus 7pq minus 3p square q square. So first this 5 will write below 4. These are like terms without variable. Then plus 7pq will be written here plus 7pq. So these are the like terms, and then minus 3p square q square will be written below 2p square q square because these are like terms. Minus 3p square q square. And now we will add these two expressions. So first plus 5 plus 4 plus 5 is plus 9. Next minus 3pq plus 7pq. So plus 7 minus 3 is plus 4pq. Plus 4pq. Then 2 minus 3 p square q square will be common. So 2 minus 3 is minus 1 p square q square. We don't write the coefficient 1. So the answer is minus p square q square plus 4pq plus 9. Answer is minus p square q square plus 4pq plus 9. So this is the answer for the third sum. Let us solve fourth sum. L square plus m square plus n square plus L square, 2lm plus 2mn plus 2nl. These are the four algebraic expressions, and we have to add these four algebraic expressions. Let us write L square plus m square. Add m square plus n square in this. So write m square below m square and plus n square after that. Next is n square plus L square. So n square will be written below n square. These are like terms. Plus L square, we'll write it below this L square. So here plus L square. Here we can write the sign plus. After that 2lm plus 2mn plus 2nl. This expression will write, but in these three expressions there are no like terms for these three terms. So we write this 2lm here, after that 2mn, after that 2nl, and now add all these four expressions. We are adding these four expressions. So here 2nl, there is no like term above this, so the answer is as it is, plus 2nl. Same here, plus 2mn. Here plus 2lm. Next plus n square is plus 2n square, because here 1n square, 1n square, 1 plus 1 is 2. So plus 2n square. Here m square plus m square is 2m square. Here L square plus L square is 2L square. 2L square. And you can see in each term 2 is there. The coefficient 2 is there with each of these terms. So we can take that 2 common for writing the final answer. So answer is 2 common. This 2, 2, here 2. So all these 2 we'll write as a common 2, and then write L square plus m square plus n square plus Lm plus Mn plus Nl. So this is the final answer for this addition. Now question number 4. In that first sum, subtract 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12 from 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. First we will solve this sum by horizontal method. Horizontal method. Now subtract this expression from this one. So first we will write this expression. The second expression will be written first in the first bracket. 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. And from this we will subtract the first expression 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12. Now first we will open the brackets. First bracket write as it is without changing the sign. 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. Now here minus sign is there, and after that these all terms of the second expression. Now minus plus, because of this minus all the signs from the bracket will get changed. So minus plus minus 4a, then minus plus 7ab, then minus plus minus 3b, next minus plus minus 12. Now we'll write the like terms close. So first 12a and minus 4a. After that minus 9ab plus 7ab. Then plus 5b minus 3b. After that minus 3 minus 12. So we wrote the like terms close. Now solve. 12a minus 4a. So a is a common variable. Now 12 minus 4 is 8 and the common variable a. So 8a. Minus 9ab plus 7ab. So minus 9 plus 7 is minus 2 and ab the common variables. Plus 5b minus 3b. Plus 5 minus 3 is plus 2 and b is their common variable. Minus 3 minus 12 is minus 15. So this is the answer for fourth A sum. Subtract this expression from the other expression. This is the answer. 8a minus 2ab plus 2b minus 15. Now the same sum will solve by vertical method. Vertical method. Subtract 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12 from 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. So first we will write this expression 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. From this expression we will subtract this one. So 4a right here below 12a, then minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12. Now you know that subtracting 4a from 12a, it means adding opposite of 4a. So we'll change this subtraction into addition. So subtracting 4a, it means adding the opposite of positive 4a, and opposite of positive 4a is negative. It means you change all the signs of the each and every term from the second expression. So here positive 4a will become negative 4a, negative 7a will become positive 7ab, plus 3b will become negative 3b, plus 12 will become negative 12. So here we changed all the signs of each and every term from the second expression, because we know that subtracting any term, it means adding the opposite of that term. So here positive 4a opposite is negative 4a, minus 7ab's opposite is positive 7ab, plus 3b's opposite is minus 3b, and plus 12's opposite is minus 12. And now we solve. Now we'll ignore these signs and we'll use these signs for these terms. So here minus 3 and minus 12 is minus 15, plus 5b and minus 3b is plus 2b. Next minus 9ab and plus 7ab. So minus 9 plus 7 is minus 2ab. Here 12 minus 4 is 8a. So this is the answer for this subtraction by vertical method. Next, 4b. Subtract 3xy plus 5yz minus 7zx from 5xy minus 2yz minus 2zx plus 10xyz. So first we'll write this expression. 5xy minus 2yz minus 2zx plus 10xyz. From this we will subtract the first expression 3xy, so which is written below 5xy, then plus 5yz, so here also it is yz, we'll write it below that 5yz, next minus 7zx, so it will be written below this minus 7zx, and there is no like term for this here in the first expression. Now for subtraction we'll change all the signs of these terms from the second expression. So here it is positive 3x. Subtracting positive 3x, it means adding negative 3x. So this plus 3xy will become negative 3xy. Plus 5yz will become minus 5yz. Subtracting positive 5yz, it means adding negative 5yz. Then subtracting negative 7zx, it means adding positive 7zx. So in short, we changed all the signs of all these terms. So this positive 3xy, now it has become negative 3xy. This plus 5yz has become minus 5yz. Minus 7zx has become plus 7zx. And now solve. Plus 10xyz as it is, there is no like term below this to add or subtract, so 10xyz minus 2zx plus 7zx. Now ignore this sign and take this sign with this term. So minus 2 plus 7 is plus 5 and zx the common variables. Next, minus 2 minus 5 is minus 7yz, the common variable. So answer of minus 2yz minus 5yz is minus 7yz. Next, 5xy minus 3xy is 2xy. And this is the answer for this subtraction. Let us solve 4th C. Subtract 4p square q minus 3pq plus 5pq square minus 8p plus 7q minus 10 from 18 minus 3p minus 11q plus 5pq minus 2pq square plus 5p square q. So first we'll write this expression. 18 minus 3p minus 11q plus 5pq minus 2pq square plus 5p square q. From this we'll subtract this expression. So here 4p square q we'll write below this, then minus 3pq here plus 5pq square here minus 8p will be here plus 7q here and minus 10 will be here. So first below this 18 we'll write minus 10. Then p term, and here the p term is minus 8p, so we'll write below this minus 8p. Next q term, and here the q term is this plus 7q plus 7q. Next pq, having pq variable, this is the term, so minus 3pq, minus 3pq. Next pq square is here, so write plus 5pq square. Then p square q is here 4p square q, which is positive 4p square q. And now for the subtraction we will change the sign of each and every term from this expression. because subtracting any term, it means adding the opposite of that term. So minus 10 will become plus 10. Minus 8p will become plus 8p. Plus 7q will be minus 7q. Minus 3pq will be plus 3pq. Plus 5pq square will be minus 5pq square, and plus 4p square q will become minus 4p square q. And now solve. Plus 5 minus 4 p square q. So it is plus 1 p square q. If you don't write this one, even then it is correct. Next, minus 2 minus 5. Now ignore this sign. Minus 2 minus 5 is minus 7 pq square. Plus 5 plus 3 is plus 8 pq. Minus 11 minus 7 is minus 18 q. Q is the common variable. Next, minus 3 plus 8 is plus 5 and p is their variable. 18 plus 10 is 28. So this is the answer for this subtraction. 28 plus 5p minus 18q plus 8pq minus 7pq square plus p square q. And here we have completed exercise